Clark Global City, located in the Clark Freeport Zone in the Philippines, has been making headlines for its remarkable growth and transformation. It has become a prominent business and leisure destination in recent years thanks to rapid development. This video aims to delve into the captivating story behind the rise of Clark Global City and explore the various factors contributing to its success. Before we learn more about the Philippines, make sure to subscribe so you can stay updated in this age of Asia. To understand the present significance of Clark Global City, it is crucial to delve into its historical context. The Clark Freeport Zone, located in the province of Pampanga, was formerly a United States military base. After the base's closure in 1991, the Philippine government sought to repurpose the area into a bustling economic hub. Thus, the Clark Freeport Zone was established, laying the groundwork for the city's transformation. One of the key factors driving the growth of Clark Global City is the robust support from the Philippine government. In recognition of its potential, the government has invested significantly in infrastructure development, including road networks, utilities, and transportation systems. The expansion of Clark International Airport and the construction of the Subic-Clark Railway have further enhanced accessibility to the city, attracting both local and foreign investments. Clark Global City has emerged as a thriving economic zone, attracting a wide range of industries and businesses. The city offers attractive incentives and tax benefits to investors, making it an enticing destination for both multinational corporations and local entrepreneurs. The availability of prime real estate, coupled with the ease of doing business, has propelled Clark Global City to the forefront of economic growth in the Philippines. The real estate sector in Clark Global City has experienced a remarkable boom, with numerous residential, commercial, and mixed-use developments reshaping the city's skyline. Renowned international and local developers have invested in ambitious projects, creating a vibrant and modern urban landscape. The careful urban planning and emphasis on sustainability have contributed to a well-designed and livable city environment. Clark Global City is not just a business hub, it also offers a plethora of leisure and lifestyle amenities. The city is home to world-class hotels, shopping centers, dining establishments, and entertainment venues, catering to the needs of both residents and visitors. Families can enjoy a day at the Clark Nature Park, while thrill-seekers can experience the excitement of the Aquaplanet Water Park. The city's nightlife scene continues to thrive with a variety of bars, clubs, and live music venues. The range of recreational facilities available, combined with the city's vibrant atmosphere, ensures that Clark Global City has something to offer for everyone. Recognizing the importance of education in driving sustainable growth, Clark Global City has made significant strides in developing its educational infrastructure. The city is home to reputable international schools and universities, attracting students from both within the Philippines and abroad. This emphasis on education has created a skilled workforce, contributing to the city's economic competitiveness. In addition to its economic prowess, Clark Global City offers a rich tapestry of cultural and historical attractions. Visitors can explore nearby heritage sites such as the Mount Pinatubo volcano and the Clark Museum and 4D Theatre, which provide insights into the region's history. The city's proximity to tourist destinations like Mount Arayat and Subic Bay also adds to its appeal as a tourist hub. Clark Global City places a strong emphasis on sustainable development and green initiatives in line with global trends. A number of environmentally friendly practices have been incorporated into the city's infrastructure, such as energy-efficient buildings, waste management systems, and the preservation of green spaces. Clark Global City also actively promotes ecotourism and environmental conservation efforts, encouraging residents and businesses to adopt sustainable practices and reduce their carbon footprint. The transformation of Clark Global City from a former military base to a vibrant economic and lifestyle center illustrates the Philippines' remarkable progress. Through robust government support, strategic urban planning, and a diverse range of economic opportunities, the city has become a magnet for investments. It is expected that Clark Global City will play an increasingly significant role in the global arena, attracting more businesses, residents, and tourists. If you like this video, make sure to watch the one on the left. And continue to keep track of the Age of Asia by subscribing to this channel, so we can become a leading channel in telling the growth story of the largest continent on Earth.